how to transfer Viber to a new phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Viber on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, tap on the More option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Settings option you see there. Further, tap on the Account option you see there and then tap on the Viber Backup option. Now go ahead and tap on the Backup Now option you see there, and with this, your backup will be saved to your iCloud. Now, if you want to move your Viber to a new phone, then go ahead and install Viber on your new device from the App Store and then open the app and further enter the same phone number that you are using currently. You will then be required to verify using SMS, so verify it, and with this, Viber will find the iCloud backup option. You can then tap on the restore option you see there, and with this, all the chats or media supported by backup will return. You can also repeat the same process from Android to Android or iPhone to Android. So this is how you can transfer Viber to new phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.